On to our Good News India segment now, where we get you encouraging, heartening stories from across the country. Prime Minister Narendra Modi expressed his views on a range of issues on 22nd May through his Mann Ki Baat broadcast. One of them was extreme heat conditions and drought, over which he expressed concern and stressed on community participation for addressing drought-like conditions. Drawing inspiration from that, youth in Karnataka's Gadag district have revived a well that had dried up years ago. Here's their story.
Several parts of India are drought affected, affecting a large section of people. Karnataka's Gadag district too is bearing the brunt of drought and heat wave, which have resulted in scarcity of drinking water there. Prime Minister's exhortation to people to connect with government's Swachh Bharat mission and take up water conservation have had a deep impact on the youth of Shirahati in Gadag district, who have resolved to work toward addressing the water scarcity problem in their village. They turned their attention to an old well that was dry for years and decided to revive it. With the help of the Gram Panchayat, they desilted it for 7 to 8 days until they found the source of water flow to it.
हमने प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी का सूखे से निपटने के लिए संदेश सुना। इस कुएं को पुनर्जीवित करने के प्रयास काफी दिनों से चल रहे हैं ताकि इसमें हर मौसम में पर्याप्त पानी रहे।
Their efforts bore fruit and water gushed into the well. The situation in Vidarbha is similar to that in Karnataka. Here too, thousands of farmers are at the receiving end of drought. In a bid to help them, 3 non-government organizations have undertaken a water conservation project to rejuvenate parched wells. They are building a reservoir alongside a river in Yavatmal district of Maharashtra. The water from the river will be transferred to the reservoir, eventually distributing it to nearby wells.
सबसे पहला फायदा तो यहाँ है कि भाई जब भी पानी मिनिमम रेनफॉल होएगा 50% या 60%, तब भी यह टैंक भरेंगे और इसका जो हाइड्रोलॉजी है कि इसको 3 to 4 times इसका रिचार्ज कैपेसिटी है.
At least 12,000 villages in Vidarbha region were declared drought hit this year.
पहले यहाँ खेती को पानी नहीं मिलता था. अभी जो ये काम हुआ इससे बहुत फायदे हो जाएंगे क्योंकि पूरी खेती वलिद में आ जाएंगी और यहाँ सर्व खेती हरा भरा दिखेंगी.
With water table depleting in many parts of the country, conserving water and reviving old water bodies is the need of the hour. Bureau Report, DD News.